M for
Mandolin slicer.
Mandolin.
Mandolin
Slicer.
slicer. Mandolin slicer. Mandolin slicer slices food uniformly. Example: vegetables and fruit.
Measuring cups. Measuring. Measuring. Cups. Measuring cups. Measuring cups are used for measuring liquid and dry ingredients accurately. Measuring spoons. Measuring. Measuring. Spoons. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons are used for measuring small amounts of ingredients. Meat tenderizer. Meat. Tenderizer. Meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer is a tool for tenderizing meat.
Spell it. I mash meat. What am I? And your 5 seconds starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is, spelling of meat tenderizer is MEAT. Meat. Tenderizer. Tenderizer. Meat tenderizer.